Hey, let me show you how you can record screen on your Android phone. So we've got two methods. The first one by using the built-in screen recorder if you have one. So in my case, the screen recorder is located in the right upper corner when I open this notification panel. And I can find it just right here. So I have to click on it. Then I can record audio, show touches, and click start. And right now in the right upper corner, I can find my record. If I want to stop it, all I have to do is just to click right here to stop. But if for some reason you don't have this feature on your phone, you can go to the Play Store, tap on the search pool and type screen recorder. Get this application, for example, the Screen Recorder X Recorder. So click install. Now after a few seconds you can open this application. You can close this ad and tap on the right upper corner. We have to enable the floating icon. So click here, scroll down and select your X recorder. Tap to allow display over the other apps. Then just go back to the application, accept all of the permissions. Click to open the settings. Go to the permissions and select photos and the videos. Click here to always allow. Then just go back. Okay, that's another application that we can close in the right upper corner. Accept another applications, another permissions, and tap record when you want to start recording. Click to start now, and as you can see right now, this screen is recording. Take a look. If you want to stop your record, just tap right here, and there you've got the preview of it. It's recording. So yeah, that's all. Bye.